Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from May 13th to the 19th and using this gorgeous kit from GP Sticker Studio, and this is called the Brunch Date Kit. These are the full boxes in the kit, and at the bottom we've got some blank headers, which I really love because I feel like I have a lot of really fun overlays, so it's always nice to have blank headers. On this page, we've got lots of full boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. On here, we've got a functional page with checklists, the weekly tracker, some label stickers, square box stickers, push pins, teardrops, icons, habit trackers, and some headers. On this page, we've got more headers along with some glitter headers, appointment labels, builder stickers, weekend banners, and kiss cut icons. And on this page, we've got our cut washi and bottom washi. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting down the bottom washi, and let's get into this spread. As usual, I started by whitening out the lines at the bottom of the page before I put down the bottom washi. And I think the floral print on this bottom washi is so pretty, and I love the gold accent of the top strip as well. Once I've got the bottom washi down, I'm going to put down my page flags, and this print, it's almost like a brushstroke watercolor type print that's on those flags. I really like it. It's on some of the washi in this kit as well, and it's so pretty. Now I'm putting down the date covers, and this shop is now closed, I believe, because I went to look and I couldn't find her on Instagram anymore, but the date covers are by Planner Girl Stickers, and either she changed her name or closed her shop. The date dots are from Artbox Stickers, and once I've got those down, I'm going to move over to the sidebar. I'm using the full box that had the two girls having their little brunch date, and then I decided to use a foiled overlay from Sadie Stickers, and I love that because it's such a simple detail with the little bow at the top, and I think it's so cute. Underneath there, I'm putting down one of the glitter headers from the kit, and then using a quarter box from Artbox Stickers, that gold foiled scalloped quarter box, and I'm adding a script sticker that says PR posts, and in that half box, I'm going to keep track of my PR posts that I need to do for the week. Underneath there, I'm creating a section where I'm going to track my dinners for the week. So I'm using another one of those scalloped quarter boxes from Artbox Stickers, and then the Monday through Sunday tracker from the kit. That mill sticker is from Rose Color Daze. And then underneath there, I'm putting down a habit tracker and then a YouTube tracker at the very bottom. The YouTube tracker is from Tasseled Planner, and then the habit tracker came with the kit, and I'm going to use a script from Rose Color Days that says workout for that habit tracker. And I'm so proud of myself because I actually did work out 3 days this week, which is really good for me. My habit tracker wasn't just empty this week. And I really like it when the scripts in my sidebar match, and since I didn't have 4 of the same type of scripts that I wanted to use in the sidebar, I am glad that I was able to pair them up. So the PR post and the YouTube were both from Artbox Stickers, and they matched, and the meals and workout were both from Rose Color Days, and they matched. Moving on to Monday, I put down one of the headers from the kit, and this overlay I'm putting down now is actually a collab that I designed with Artbox Stickers, and then I also put down one of the teardrops from the kit, and I'm going to layer a really cute little laptop sticker that says work. And the first thing I needed to remember to do when I got to work on Monday was to approve my time card. And that always makes me happy because whenever I have to do that, that's the weeks I get paid. So always a good way to start off the week. Underneath there, I'm putting down a gas can icon from Tasseled Planner, and that's to mark that I needed to put gas in my car. Then I'm using a half box, and I'm going to layer a script sticker on top of there from Paper Focus, and that says remember. And I just started, I hired a chef to do meal prep for myself and my husband because we're both in graduate school right now, and it's really hard to keep up with cooking because I hate to do it, and so it's just easier. But so I'm taking lunches that are meal prepped now, and I wanted to remind myself because this was the first day that I started doing the meal prepped lunches, so I wanted to remind myself not to forget it. Monday was my grandmother's birthday, and I wanted to mark that using some balloons and a happy birthday script. The balloons are from Tasseled Planner, and the script is from Letters to Apollo, and I'm on the PR team for both of those shops, so if you're interested in picking up any stickers from them, you'll find a discount code to save some money in the description box. Then I put down a full box from the kit, and underneath there I'm using one of the square stickers from the kit, and these are some of my favorite stickers because I just think that shape is so unique and so much fun to use. And then I'm going to layer a cute little envelope sticker on top of it, and that envelope sticker is from Tasseled Planner. And I just wanted to mark I needed to follow up with the post office because they delivered one of my kits to the wrong address, and I really wanted them to get that to the correct address, which they didn't. They suck. They're USPS, excuse me, USPS, not UPS. Yeah, USPS, they suck. Anyways, on to Tuesday. I put down a quarter box from the kit and then a script from Letters to Apollo that says $2 make me holla, and that is how I mark $2 Tuesday. It's always an exciting day because I want to make sure that I'm sharing posts for the shops that I do PR for that are having sales that day, and then also of course shopping because I'm a sticker addict. And then I put down one of the full boxes from the kit and one of the glitter headers, and then I'm using one of these cute little rounded cornered label stickers, and I layered a cell phone icon from Regina Laughs and just wanted to mark a phone call that I wanted to make. Then on Wednesday at the top I put down a glitter header, and then I'm adding another one of those little rounded cornered rounded cornered labels. I really love those labels, and I like the shape of them, and which is unusual. I typically prefer things that are squared off, but I like those. And anyways, I was just marking my midweek post, and that little girl holding the cell phone was from GP Sticker Studio. At the bottom, I put the little GP Sticker Studio little cat doing yoga to mark a workout for that evening. Moving back to Tuesday, I'm using one of the page flags from the kit, and then I'm going to use a script sticker from Letters to Apollo that says Plan With Me Live, and I was posting my Plan With Me from the previous week as I was actually getting caught up. I had been a little bit behind on my Plan With Me's, and that Tuesday I've finally gotten completely caught up. And underneath there, I put down a washi strip from the kit and added one of the half boxes, and I'm layering a to-do script from Paper Focus. And I wanted to submit an early out request at work because I needed to leave work early the following Monday. Then I'm putting down a TV icon sticker, and that's from Sadie Stickers, and I wanted to get started watching Game of Thrones. So it's the final season. I've been watching all 7 seasons, and so I didn't want to start watching the final season until they had aired pretty much most of the episodes of the season, because I know how I would like to watch that show, and each one ends and makes you want to watch the next one immediately, and I didn't want to put up with that week to week, so I wanted to have enough episodes available to me so that I could binge watch it. Then on Wednesday, I put down this little book icon from Sadie Stickers to mark an Audible book I was listening to at work. Then I'm adding one of the half boxes from the kit, and I'm going to layer a to clean script from Paper Focus on top of there. I love that this half box was blue. I felt like I didn't use enough blue in this kit. I kind of focused a little bit more on the pink and purple, but the blue is so pretty as well. Also layered the little cleaning bucket sticker from the kit on there. Underneath there, I put down a washi strip, and that YouTube play button is from Artbox Stickers, and I was just making note that I wanted to film a planner haul, which on the day that I'm recording this voiceover, which is Sunday the 19th, that planner haul did go live today. And then on Thursday, I'm putting down another one of those headers. And then actually, before I put down the full box, I'm going to move over and put down the weekend banner, which is so beautiful. And I love that it had like a squared off background, and I love the flower details on that weekend banner. So moving back to Thursday, I put down the full box there, and then I'm just going to continue scattering the rest of the full boxes for the second half of this week. So I have a full box at the bottom on Saturday, sort of closer to the bottom, but not quite on Sunday. I don't even know how to describe the placement of these, but basically I try to use the full boxes to cover up the lines in between the sections that create the 3 sections on the columns, because I prefer to use my columns as one long space, not broken down into 3 rows. And so that's basically why I scatter my full boxes the way that I do and just kind of work around them. Decided to add another one of those Sadie Stickers full box overlays, and then I'm going back with one of the 3 bow checklists from Sadie Stickers, and this was from one of her $2 Tuesdays, and it's in pink foil, which is so pretty. I did mix pink foil and gold foil in this spread this week, and I thought they combined beautifully for this kit because there was, of course, so much pink and so much gold in the kit. going back to Thursday, I'm putting down a half box, and one of my coworkers, who she and I are on the same team within our department, and so when she's out of the office, I'm her backup and support. So my job has been covering her job for the last 3 weeks because she went home to Japan to visit her family, and so she was coming back this day, which I was really excited to see her. And then we were also celebrating the fact that she had just finished her online school program, and so we had a little graduation celebration for her at the office, and then of course I had to follow up with her on everything she had missed while she'd been out of work. And then underneath there, I'm using a teardrop from the kit and a little money $ symbol, along with a remember script from Paper Panda. And I wanted to remember to give one of my other coworkers, it is kind of birthday season in my department at work. And so we had another coworker whose birthday was coming up, and I wanted to contribute some money to getting some things together to help celebrate her birthday. But the spring is definitely birthday month in my department. I feel like we just keep having people's birthdays come up. But anyways, underneath there, I put down another half box. I followed up again with the post office this day, and this was when they told me for sure that they were not able to find or retrieve my package from the wrong address that they delivered it to. And so I had to contact the shop, and who was so wonderful and already sent out, there's a replacement kit in the mail for me, which made me really happy. Now I'm using one of tasseled new headphone stickers that I'm obsessed with to mark a podcast that I was listening to, which is the Royal Caribbean blog podcast. And I love cruising Royal Caribbean. It's my favorite way to vacation. And there was an episode on the Harmony of the Seas ship, which is the ship I'll be going on in October. So I was really excited to listen to that episode of that podcast. And then I'm using a page flag from the kit to mark that I went to biology for lunch. I've been doing really well with eating healthy all week, and so Friday was my cheat day, and I felt like some pizza. And I don't know what happened here. I guess my camera must have been off, but I put down one of those little shopping bags from Artbox Stickers, and that to buy script is from Paper Focus. And I marked that I went shopping for my friend Tiffany's graduation gift. And then I marked a phone call using one of those labels from the kit, and that cell phone stickers from Artbox Stickers. And then that little butterfly that I layered over it is from Nedi Designs, and it's pink foiled. So stinking cute. Then at the bottom, I'm using a TV icon from Tasseled Planner and a binge watch sticker from Heather Plans, which is another shop that is closed. And I marked that we binge watched Game of Thrones. So on Tuesday, we watched the first 2 episodes, and then Friday, we watched the next 3 episodes. The only thing I have left is the finale. On Saturday, I used that little pillowcase and the Sleep In script sticker. They're both from Nedi Designs. Underneath there, I put down a quarter box, and I'm layering a little flat iron sticker from Tasseled Planner. And I just wanted to mark that I washed and flat ironed my hair that day. And then I'm putting down a little washi strip and a half box from the kit. And I'm going to layer on some balloons because it was my friend Tiffany, who you guys know as Tiff's Planet in the planner community. It was her graduation party. So I was going to go spend the day celebrating her that day. And then when I got home that evening, I'm putting down a little planner because when I got home that evening, I did sit and do some planning. And then on Sunday, I'm putting down this laptop sticker from my newest addiction. I start my statistics class on Tuesday, but thankfully they give you access to the reading materials in my online school the weekend before the class starts. So I wanted to get a jump start on a couple of the chapters that I need to have read this week. Above that, I'm putting down a quarter box, and I'm adding a YouTube play button from Artbox Stickers, and then layering a script sticker from Letters to Apollo on top of that. And that is to mark this plan with me going live. And then I put down a nail polish bottle from the kit and use that to mark painting my nails. So I also have that I wanted to go see that movie, The Sun Is Also a Star, which did not happen. That got postponed, but I still really want to go see that movie. That is it for this week's spread. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Here's a sneak peek at the kit that I'll be using for next week. And next week I'll be planning from May 20th through the 26th. And I'm using this gorgeous kit from Sadie Stickers. This is called Market. and this is so beautiful. I'm particularly drawn to the kit because of the shades of yellow in this kit. Yellow is a color I don't get to use enough in my planner. I feel like it's a color that I think is so beautiful and so fun, and this is such a soft, very pale type yellow shade, like a very nice, like soft buttery yellow, which makes me really excited. I of course love all the pinks and blues as well, and this wood grain, which is stunning, but I'm really excited about the yellow. So anyways, this is the kit I'll be using. This plan with me should go live on the 26th, so please make sure you come back to check that out. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video.